Hi there. Let's talk about the best places to install your MATelec smoke alarms to keep your home safe. We know placement requirements can be confusing as they vary between national and state regulations. To make it easier, we've created detailed guides outlining the rules for each state. For full information on the correct alarm types, placement and installation requirements in your state, visit the State Legislation Guide section on the MATelec Australia website. Now that you know where to find the rules for your state, let's look at some practical guidance for installing your smoke alarms. For example, in homes with 2 or more sleeping areas, we recommend installing at least 1 smoke alarm in each area. In multi-level homes, make sure you install an alarm on every level, in the basement if you have one, and close to bedrooms. According to the National Construction Code, NCC 2022, smoke alarms should be installed on or near the ceiling to work effectively. Whenever possible, mount your smoke alarms near the centre of the room. This allows the alarm to detect smoke quickly and prevents it from getting trapped in dead air spaces, where warm air can keep the smoke away from the sensor. Keep alarms at least 30 centimetres away from corners where the ceiling meets the wall. And in rooms with sloped or cathedral ceilings, position the alarm between 50 centimetres and 1.5 metres from the apex. If ceiling installation isn't possible, you can mount the smoke alarm on a wall, making sure it's 30 to 50 centimetres from below the ceiling. For larger rooms longer than 10 metres, we recommend installing multiple alarms to ensure that every corner is covered. And for peaked or cathedral ceilings, install the alarm at least 50 centimetres from the apex to avoid those dead air spaces, which can prevent proper smoke detection. Smoke alarms are sensitive electrical devices, so to avoid false alarms, don't install them near kitchens or cooking appliances, in dusty, dirty or humid areas, near garages, car fumes or excessive heat outside of 0 to 45 degrees Celsius, near bathrooms or wet areas, close to ceiling fans, air conditioners or high airflow, near fluorescent lights, or in areas with insects or bugs. Thanks for watching, and remember, every MATelec smoke alarm is backed by the Smarter Smoky Guarantee. Compliant, complete support, guaranteed.